Project charter is an important step in the life of a project. It's almost like you're in the starting blocks at a running race, and that's where we take off from, and at that point the project is officially authorized. So we really look to that to be a document. Even in a social organization, I would recommend having a project charter, even if that's a simple one-page email from the head of the organization that says, this is the project, this is what it's going to accomplish, here's who the project manager is, and here's the timeline. So it lets the organization know it's a communications piece, and it officially starts the work on the project. It authorizes, and we use that term project sponsor. That's the person in the organization who is approving that the group work on this project and apply resources to it. It identifies the customer, whether that's an internal customer or an external customer, the key stakeholders, who is going to be affected by this project. It specifically identifies the project manager, and it gives them the authority to move forward with using resources and executing the project. It also documents the scope, the budget, and the time so everyone's clear on what this project is about. It also often includes a justification. Why are we doing this project? Especially on a longer project where it might be running for months or years, sometimes we forget, why are we even doing this? And maybe the situation's changed and we no longer need this project. So it's good to document that up front. This is why we're doing this. It also identifies at a very high level how we're going to go about executing the project, what methodologies we're going to use, what things we assume to be true that might change, what constraints there are that will limit how we're able to approach the project, and it also identifies any key resources, if there's people or equipment or facilities that need to be allocated to this project. These are documented. This is at a very high level, not a detailed document, but it lets everyone know what's going on. The project team will then dig into the greater details of actually executing the project, but at this point, this is a communication for everyone.